Hello everyone, Mark Steffen here, and today's video I just wanted to show you all a short and simple project I worked on this past week. It's a pair of handles for an old cabinet I haven't gone around to fixing. Years ago, I don't remember how long, but these handles broke off. I'm sure I could just buy some new ones, but I thought it'd be cool to try and 3D print some functional prints. So, the first thing I did was measure out the ideal height or thickness of the handle, the screw holes, and the hole's depth for a new M5 screw. Once all of those were set up in a sketch in Fusion 360, it was easy to extrude the model, make some smaller details, and get the model ready to be 3D printed. Once I got this 3D printed, I used 0.2mm layer heights with a white PLA. The print overall took about an hour, but the results were well worth it. At a filament cost of around 50 cents and some extra M5 screws that I had, I was able to make a quick repair for something old. It's not much, but I hope you can see how helpful and efficient 3D printing can be for certain household items. Thank you to my patrons that help support my funding, and thank you all for watching.